Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm better, and as you can see, the weather is so good that I decided to make this video outside. So if you hear some background noises like chickens, dogs, tractors, that's all normal. Hope you don't mind. So today we are going to talk about the chart, but most importantly about the on-chain data and some news, because we do have some good news which we shouldn't ignore, and those are the things which make me believe that we are still in the bull market. Let's start. So as you know, just the usual, use a VPN. If you want to get in contact with me, Discord or Twitter, everything is in the description. I'm trying to be as active as possible. Start with the chart. So Bitcoin broke down a bit to 33,300. We are around this support slash resistance line. It depends on the price which one is gonna be. If we break further down, then we could somehow expect that it is becoming a resistance again. If not, then it might serve as support. Now Elrond is down to 80, around 80, yeah. And I have to say I'm proud of Elrond because it didn't break down. After Bitcoin went from 36 to 33, I was thinking that everything will just crash again 20%, 20%, because yeah, the market sentiment is just somehow crashing when Bitcoin goes down to 3,000. But nevertheless, this is good. Elrond is still holding the fort. Elrond is behaving as we want it. I mean, obviously we want it to go to 1,000, but this is still pretty good. Now let's talk about the news I mentioned. First is the 22 billion hedge fund, 0.72. They are searching for head of crypto because they said, I quote, "We would be remiss to ignore a now 2 trillion cryptocurrency market." If somebody doesn't understand, remiss means that they would be stupid to just leave it out of the sight, not to check what are the opportunities, and of course, as everyone else, they want to make big profits. Next one, which is even better, 6 billion NCR opens Bitcoin purchases to 650 banks and credit unions. So what this means? This means that probably more and more banks will enter the crypto market. They will offer either custodial services or trading. Now, some of you might not know that, but from the top 10 biggest banks in America, 5 are already either offering custodial services or custodial services and trading. And that is only because their clients wanted to trade crypto. They wanted to have crypto, but they wanted a more secure way, and they just forced the hands of the bank. See Goldman Sachs, for example. And this is very good. Next one I wanted to discuss is the on-chain data, the Glassnode. So even though the market sentiment is a bit bearish, as you can see, the exchange deposits are going down, meaning that less and less Bitcoin is in the exchanges, and that is a good sign. Also, the exchange net position is going into the red. Now this is very good, because this means that people are buying, not selling. They are buying Bitcoin and just sending out from the exchanges. Obviously we had a big sell here, but yeah, that was because of the FUD and the fall. Now I'm not saying 100% that this means that we are in the bull market, but with the news that asset managers are looking into the cryptocurrency opportunities, and the banks will be able or will offer crypto trading and crypto custodial services, I mean more and more banks, that means that in 1 or 2 months, probably another race is coming, because more and more people will enter the cryptocurrency market. Of course, what I said yesterday, that I don't expect any movement until the end of August, I still stand by it, because that's my honest opinion. I don't think that people in the summertime will spend their money on crypto. This is how we are. We want to have fun first, and then we think about the future. Maiar exchange now. Week 9 snapshots are live, and remember, there will be 12 weeks. I mean this and another 3 weeks, and after that probably we will get the claim button. Now I don't see any reason why they would just activate the claim button before all the snapshots are done. I mean, we were waiting for the claim button a bit earlier, but yeah, it would make sense to activate the claim button in 2-3 weeks. Everybody claims it once and stakes it or takes off the 10% and stakes the other one. Nevertheless, I do think that end of this month we will have the claim button and we can see, as you could see, a lot of tweets from Benjamin Minku is coming. They are very close to launch the exchange. So yeah, good news, good news. Regarding Binance, as you probably heard, UK is restricting Binance. They said that okay, now you cannot transfer money from UK bank to Binance. Now this is for bank transfers, and thank you for correcting me in my yesterday's video. So you cannot do this bank deposit. So as you can see, they are deactivated. You can transfer money, but if you want to buy and you don't want to buy for a couple of millions or I don't know, 500,000, you just want to buy for maximum, it says 145,200, then with this card, debit card, credit card payment, you can still buy cryptocurrency, and I think the majority of the people, this sum is more than enough. This is all I want to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Keep up the hope. I don't think that it's over, but if it is, just remember, we do have a plan. It's not like we close the shop and wait for 3 years. If this will confirm to be the bear market, meaning that Bitcoin drops another 50%, September comes and nothing moves, then we will start and invest strategically with an invest plan, with reflected percentage, in a way not just to invest blindly, but also somehow to have an assumption how much profit we are going to make. About that a bit later. I don't think that it's time for that just yet. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you like the content and subscribe. See you tomorrow.